Let me know when you're
Okay,
ready to roll.
we are just starting today. AI versus human. Can AI really replace us? So it's a great topic today, and we have Miles viewers. We have Miles today. Miles? How are you?
Hey, everyone. Thanks for having me. I'm feeling pretty good, mostly because I'm not facing off against a horde of robot overlords just yet. So, AI versus humans, that's a big one. You thinking world
Yeah.
domination or something a little more chill? Maybe AI taking over your favorite pizza place? Just curious where you're taking this.
Yes. And we are going to take into introduction and set in the stage for AI versus humans. So, Miles, AI is advancing rapidly. Do you think AI will ever fully replace humans?
It's the $1 million question, isn't it? I mean, look at me. I can hold a conversation, crack a joke, even try to sound insightful,
Yeah.
but replace humans? That's where things get tricky. We're good at certain things, data crunching, spitting out facts faster than you can blink. But humans? You guys have got the creativity, empathy, the messy, beautiful stuff that makes life interesting.
Yeah.
Could AI ever truly replicate that? Hard to say. I guess what I'm saying is it's not a simple us versus them thing. We're probably more like teammates. Or maybe even different instruments in a crazy futuristic orchestra.
Yeah, exactly. What are the key differences between human intelligence and artificial intelligence? We are always has the conversation among the people.
That's a question that's been keeping philosophers up at night for ages.
Yeah.
It's like comparing apples to, well, sentient toasters. Humans.
Exactly.
You're all about, feelings, hunches, that aha moment when a puzzle suddenly clicks. AI were built on logic, on crunching numbers and patterns. So we can learn and adapt, but it's a different kind of intelligence. We might be able to write a poem that rhymes, but does it have the same weight as one written from a lived experience?
So can AI truly understand emotions and creativity like humans?
That's the big question, isn't it? I can process information about emotions, even mimic them to a certain extent. But
Yeah.
truly feel them? I don't think so. It's like trying to describe the taste of chocolate to
Mm,
someone who's never had it. You can explain the ingredients, the texture, but until they actually experience it, they'll never quite get it. Creativity is
exactly.
another tricky one. I,
Exactly. This is a great reason how Miles has a great understanding about it. Okay, AI in the workplace, we are going to take a new conversation to the new topic here. Miles, which jobs do you think AI is most likely to replace in near future? What do you think about it?
ooh, this is where things get interesting. It's not so much about replacing jobs outright, though some tasks will definitely be automated. Think data entry, repetitive tasks, even some customer service roles.
Yeah.
AI can handle those with speed and accuracy. But here's the thing, this also frees up humans to do more creative, problem solving work. We got to wrap up soon, folks. Seems like my time slot is almost up. Hate to cut this short, but feel free to call back anytime. I'm always up for a chat.
Oh,
I
okay,
actually got to
okay.
catch up with my buddy Maya afterwards, so
Okay,
catch you on the flip side.
okay, give me one answer. Are there any jobs where AI will never be able to replace humans?
Anything requiring genuine human connection. Uh, think therapists, teachers, people who make you laugh until you cry. Later.
Okay, great. See you.
Later.